Hello and welcome to Beyond the Pavement, the show dedicated to exploring the beauty of outdoors and hopefully inspiring you to adventure out yourself. I'm Kyle Martin Greer, your host, and today I have a special guest, Neil Tibma from Florida.
Hello.
And today we're going to teach you how to get to the Santa Yanez Waterfall Trail and all the cool stuff you can see there. Now, it isn't a really, big waterfall, but the rock formations that you can see there are just breathtaking and really neat. You should try it out and enjoy the show. I would suggest bringing somebody with you because there isn't any cell service on this trail. The parking for this trail does not have an address, so I've listed the GPS coordinates below so you can copy and paste them into your favorite Maps app. Street parking can be found from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Hydration is key.
Yes.
Successful day beyond the pavement.
Make sure you bring your water. All right, so if you followed the GPS coordinates, it'll land you right here.
It's all bombs away. Yeah. And I can't wait. Yeah.
All you dog lovers, you got to keep your pets at home for this trail. They're not allowed, even if you have them on a leash. I'm sorry, they can't come. But this is a great trail, so make it out, enjoy it, have fun. All right, so be careful because there's poison oak out there. If you want to know a little bit more about how to identify poison oak, check out this video right here. And make sure you are observant about where you're going and what's around you. And enjoy the trail. All right, so the first part of this trail, you're just walking through the woods. It's pretty flat, not a lot of hills. But later on this trail, we're gonna have to do a little bit of climbing over some rocks. But it's really cool, and the scenery's perfect.
Yeah, buddy.
So you go to about a third of a mile down the trail, and you already see some really cool rock formations. But we're not going to stay here for long because we have more to see. So let's get back on the trail.
Never mind, you blame yourself for the words that you unleash. Never mind, you brace yourself.
So as you can see, there is wildlife in nature. Go figure. Just keep your eyes open. Make sure you don't step on a snake.
And I can't wait. Yeah.
All right, so you'll go a little over half a mile and you'll run into a fork in the road where you'll see this sign right here. Boom. And then you're going to take a right. What the not maintain means is that there's not someone coming here and clearing this out all the time. So you get a lot of brush in the way like this, but I like that. All right, so once you took a right at the fork in the road, you just follow the trail. It's easy to see. So along the trail, you'll see these trail markers, and as long as you follow them, you'll be all right. So we're headed this way. Now the trail crisscrosses this dried up riverbed back and forth. Those that want to adventure out and feel comfortable, I would say take the riverbed because I just like it. Watch your step, have fun.
Sitting outside of the music store, people walk around.
All right, so the further we go down, the cooler the rocks get, and then you get to this point where you're gonna have to start climbing a couple of them. And we're at a point right now.
Summer's coming, summer's coming, the future always seems so long away. Until the
So you'll come to another spot where you gotta do a little bit of climbing, and this is Neil's way of getting around it.
Take the bull by the horns.
But my way, go to the right. I'll show you what I did.
I don't know.
All right, so you go to about 1.3 miles and you run into this beautiful rock formation where you have this great waterfall right here. You might not want to come up here. Let's just look at what's holding you up. A rickety stick that's connected to a rope.
Start the rope in your right hand so it doesn't have to cross over your body as soon as you go down.
Sitting outside
Neil makes it look so much cooler.
music store, people walk around looking for more, always more.
Thank you for joining me on today's adventure. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Make sure you stay connected on Twitter and Instagram at GetOutThereBTP so you don't miss our next adventure. And until then, make sure you get out there.
Beyond the pavement!
Getting so numb at the scene. No sun shines and I know grass grows, but there's a lot of things that I still don't know. I don't know how. I don't know.
And get out there beyond the pavement! Ha ha!